JHG-TV Incorporated and operates with an effective radiated power of 316,000 watts. Our studios are located at 8195 West Highway 98 in Panama City, Florida, and we transmit from a 1,026-foot above sea level tower located at Green Hills Junction, Florida. Our studio-to-transmitter link, KIS-81, operates on 7,012.5 megahertz, and our auxiliary link, KEP-91, operates on 2,016.5 megahertz. Now, on behalf of the management and staff, this is Ron Jones wishing you a very pleasant good morning.